Trabaho sila sa aming walkways around the house, guys. Yan. Magandang umaga. May buntag, Linlin. Linlin, trabaho dyan sa labas. Bilis tumubo ng mga damo. Magandang umaga. You already have a visitor so early in the morning. We're gonna mag-aalmusal pa kami. What's our breakfast for today? Today we're gonna have sausage. I want egg. I want boiled eggs. Coffee. Chef. The chefs. Magluluto daw sila ng Russian food. Sila lang ang magluluto. Kasi ako, masama ang pakiramdam ko. Meron akong diarrhea ngayon. Taga-video ako. Taga-video ako. I'm the videographer today. What is this you cooking here? It's for Olivier salad. You sure it's cooked?
It's already like 1 hour.
So you have to take out the water. And magluluto sila ng plov.
Can you bring pilau?
This one?
Yeah, coffee.
Coffee?
Salt. Salt.
Wow, you have nice background. Outdoor cooking.
Beautiful life.
Nahulog na ang taklob. This is for the Olivier salad. Ham. Magluluto sila ng plov, Olivier. Gagawa din ng Olivier salad at what else? Pancake? Russian pancake?
Olivia.
Yeah.
Potato. Carrot.
This basmati rice for the plov.
Small pieces. Есть кап? Кофеечка?
Да, кофе такой, в этом?
Салатик.
For the meat?
For everything, yeah.
Так.
Нагнуто кал. Пилау. Кофеечка.
Pait!
Very strong, yeah?
Yung ang mga bata naliligo dyan. Yuri! Ligo si Yuri kasi para na siyang walang may-ari. Sobrang dumi. Sila Dimitri, nagluluto sila dun sa labas, guys. Wala talaga ako sa mood na yun. Kasi ang sama ng pakiramdam ko, medyo may ubo pa ako, tapos may diarrhea pa. Last night nagsimula yung diarrhea ko. Tapos hindi ako makabangon kaninang umaga. Kasi sa sobrang pagod ng katawan ko. Mga paa ko sobrang pagod. Medyo medyo okay na, pero hindi pa totally talaga na, okay. Pero at least hindi na ako masyadong weak gaya kanina. Sobrang weak ko kanina. So sila lang ang magluluto dito. Ang plano sana ay magluluto kami. Kaming tatlo ni Eugene, Dimitri, ako at si Eugene. Ako sana ang gagawa ng Olivier salad, si Eugene yung gagawa ng plov, at si Dimitri naman yung magluluto ng pancake. Tapos inibitahan din namin yung mga gumagawa ng aming bahay. Tapos yung kapitbahay namin para kumain. So late na gawa nila. Kasi sobrang pagod ko talaga kanina. I-prepare ko sana yung mga ingredients kanina. Na-prepare lang yung ingredients nung dumating si Eugene. Mga 11, almost 12 na din yun. Kaya ayan, nagluluto pa sila dun sa labas. A lot? Wow, bubbles! Big one. You need to do it fast, like this. Very good. So big. First, Olivier salad for Yuri. How is it, Yuri? Look. His first Olivier salad.
Как тебе, Юрчик?
How is it?
Yummy?
Rice is more yummy, yeah? Yummy? I think he likes it.
Potato.
Because he likes potato. He's only eating
Юрчик
potato.
любит картошку.
Wow. Lami, what happened? Why you look so sad?
А утро?
It's yummy. He said it's yummy.
Ставим, мама.
Busy kayong mga chef. Busy ang mga chef.
Так, взбиваем.
What's that?
Зира.
Cumin seeds.
That's what's made.
Is it soft? I mean, the meat, is it tender already?
А вот
Oh,
добавляем
do you see the smell?
Yeah.
кумин. No,
Cumin.
Зира по-русски.
Looks yummy already. I can eat that already with rice.
and just separate rice.
We need rice.
No,
Yeah,
she
I
can
mean,
eat this.
just with our rice, Filipino
This
rice.
plain rice.
yeah.
It's enough. What did you put in there? Carrots, salt,
Onion,
onion,
meat. That's
meat.
it.
That's it.
It's very,
It looks yummy
it's very simple
now.
dish actually, except for this cumin.
Basta di mo pole yung mamudto.
And this also, cayenne.
Later, a little bit later.
Dimitri is making Russian pancake.
Babushka.
Babushka's Russian
Like
pancake.
ChatGPT.
Babushka style.
ChatGPT's Russian pancake.
Так, что дальше?
Is it your first time making Russian pancake and Olivier salad? First time niyang gumawa ng Olivier salad at Russian pancake. Muna gitawag og Olivier salad. Sila. Kauna siya oh, kalamian man siya.
New Year's.
Asa spoon. Tayo
Here, there's a spoon.
Try this.
Or
Oh, no.
spoon.
Thank you.
sure po na.
Are you sure? You're lying. No?
I like, oh,
Давай.
yummy, yummy.
Мами? Окей.
Dami.
Christmas salad.
Mo na yung Christmas
Merry Christmas.
salad nila sa Russia. Christmas and New Year. Ikaw kuya, mana ka? Wala pa ni si kuya?
The result much faster and better.
Of course, it's designed for that.
Так, как бы мне это...
Just like that. garlic. Yes. Wait. Look at Dimitri's pancake. It looks like a taco already. Nice pancake, nice.
Yeah, very nice. Yummy, yummy.
Look at your pancake.
Oh.
Burn. Try здесь. Can you understand? Up. Вкусно. You say вкусно. Вкусно. Say вкусно.
Os na.
Yeah. Lami kayo.
Lami kayo. Osing
You try?
osa.
Enya. Yeah, better this one. Pancake, Russian pancake.
Okay. Yummy.
You try pancake. Вкусно? Yummy. Say вкусно. Вкусно.
Enough.
Just repeat.
Вкусно.
Bala na sing
Try.
Bala na
Yummy.
Yeah.
As il natin.
Yummy. Oh, how do you like? Ginahan ka? Really? Yeah. Really?
Bala na.
Okay, okay.
Я сниму реакцию.
Давай.
Вот.
Oh, yummy.
Yummy. Вкусно. И салатика. Салат. Салат.
Salad.
Salad.
Russian salad.
А,
Hot.
try. Вкусно.
Try this.
Wow. You sure? Ginahan ka? Okay. Okay. na.
Me.
Okay.
You can.
Very nice.
You can.
Okay, okay.
Spoon.
Wait.
Spoon.
Okay.
Вкусно? Yummy.
Ikaw inday, ikaw karinday.
Юрчик, ты что делаешь?
Salad.
You want pancake? You try pancake. Russian pancake.
Gitis lagi kayo.
Pancake. Pancake.
Gitis lagi kayo na.
Wow. Lami. Lami.
Lami.
Look at the kids just here sitting. Tingkat padagal, diri padagal sila misa.
Maybe we need chair, more chair.
Saluhan juga baka dira ron.
Горячий.
Kahit sinabuan. Alakan sigos ikot.
Grande man to.
You done one?
I'm just so weak now. Si Papa, ibang Chinese. Hindi bang baby powder, hindi bang nene.
Yeah.
Баке тоже нравится басманный рис. Вкусно, Бака? Все, черный тоже поел. Вкусно, черный. See you Monday. Okay. See you say, not thank you. You say спасибо. Спасибо. It's thank you.
Pachiba.
Спасибо.
Pachiba, thank you.
Yeah.
Спасибо.
Спасибо. Yeah.
Pachiba, thank you.
Yeah.
Спасибо.
Yeah. Спасибо.
Спасибо. Lame, kusna.
Yeah. Вкусно.
Kusna. The food is kusna.
Вкусно. No, not food. Лами. Вкусно. Лами. It's вкусно.
Sila nag-food. Umay ni.
Oh.
Food.
А?
In Russian
Food?
food, yeah.
Еда. Еда.
Yeda.
Еда.
Yeda.
Yeah. It's. See you Monday. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Нам кокос помогут тоже сделать, организовать. Организация кокосов. Farm.
Help me.
Try.
Sige.
Thank you, Ate.
Kanta.
Лами, Валя.
Yummy, yummy. Yummy ba daw?
Apa, alam.
Лами.
Init. Wow, kayo.
I need, still need. Pancake. Can you try pancake?
Ma, cake ma. Ay,
You-
sulay. Hingit ko nun.
You can bring by hands, with hands.
Ay, kutsura ara. Kanang mo tara.
Yeah, it's okay. We eat by hands this
Na. Sige, sige. Buling bang kamot, buling. Sige ka.
pancake. Lami.
Lamang, lamang. Bisa gagamain ni kamot. Asado, wow, kaayo.
Russian food.
Cut, I'm here.
О, есть. Что-то есть.
This is Papa. Papa,
For mama?
Papa, cut it. Look. Yes, Papa.
Can I sit there?
Yeah.
Yummy. Yummy.
Don't lie to me. Tell me the truth.
Yummy.
Вкусно.
Yuri, did you eat?
How dish I got in the Philippines? Something like that.
We don't cook meat and rice together. That's like that. Is when meat is ready, we can already just eat on top of rice or pair with rice. Yuri, say hello. Hi guys, punta kami ng Manhuyog Sandbar and dolphin watching. Nandito kami sa Bais Negros Oriental. Magdo-dolphin watching kami tapos punta kami ng Manhuyod Sandbar. Ang bayad ng boat is 4,200 pesos. Good for 6 to 10 packs. Dito kasama ko namin si Eugene. Ayan si Dimitri. Kasama din namin kaibigan ko si Marilyn at saka anak niya. Gusto daw mag-try ni Eugene at ni Dimitri ng sea urchin. Kakain kami ng sea urchin dito sa Sandbar. At first time din ni Yuri mag-dolphin watching. Nakapunta na kami ni Dimitri dito last time. Mga 2 times na akong nakapunta dito. Kasama si Dimitri. Hi! Ayan si Yuri. Ready na. Sit lang. We're still waiting for our boat. Daming tao kasi Sunday ngayon, guys. Eh, mga rate nila sa kanilang boats. It's okay, Yuri. It's okay. Okay. Ito ang boat namin, 4,200. You can stay as long as you want sa Sandbar. You can use this for whole day if you want. Hi! We're gonna see dolphins here.
We use our life jacket.
Dili siya musulo. This is more nice. Safer. Si Zach na lang. Zach ya.
Yeah, that's for Zach. У меня есть не промокаемый.
Yuri, are you ready to see the dolphins? No. Why not? Let's go
Hindi pa sila ni.
to dolphin watching first. Mga pila ka oras minutes kuya?
Layo-layo mga oras, madul-dul na nas mga 45 minutes.
So many! So many dolphins! There!
Yuri like, what?
Yuri doesn't care. Look, so big!
Yuri like, I saw it in Philippines.
Wow! Yuri, look! Yuri just don't understand what's happening. He just woke up from his nap. Watch a dolphin somewhere here. Dolphins will jump. See that? Wow! Wow! Just right here. Wow! Wow! There's somewhere here. Your chick just woke up from nap. Tingnan yung mukha ni Yuri. You saw it? Lain ba niya nakita na aman sa kuan taas? You saw dolphins there? You saw the dolphins there? Did you see the dolphins? Where are the dolphins? Medyo nahihiya pa yung mga dolphins. Or siguro natakot. Ah, there! See that? See that? Wow! Wow!
Right here.
Wow, that's a big one! Yuri, look! It's just right here. Oh! So ready! So ready! Yay! Wow! Wow, Yuri! So many dolphins! Wow! Yay! Bibili kami ng sea urchin. Naka sa lawake? Sa lawake? Oyster. Oyster man na iya ha? Sa lawake there. Sa lawake.
Hafra kuya? Ha? 150 ug hafra.
Half na lang.
Sinking na.
Kay siya raman, sila raman. Di po na mo, try ra po na sila, di po sure o mukaon ba na sila dili.
Ana.
Lagi, ikaw na luto. Asan ni mo lutoon? Ah, dito?
Ah, okay.
Nado sila kitchen. May kitchen sila doon. Magluluto sila ng oyster. Oyster na kuya, ano na?
Scallop.
Ah, scallop.
Scallop.
Scallop, oyster. And sea urchin dito. Scared? It's okay. It's alright. Why are you scared? Why? You scared to swim?
Yeah.
But Mama and Papa are here. We're here, Yuri. It's okay. Don't be scared. We just buy seafood from Kuya, from Lolo, from Uncle. We gonna eat seafood. Oh. Oh. Punta kami doon kami maliligo. Yan yung second part ng sandbar. Nandito yung main ng sandbar, Ochan. Punta din kami dyan mamaya. Pero doon muna kami kasi doon nila lulutuin yung aming seafood. Ayan, ang daming sea urchin. Sa bangka lang. Kumakain sila dyan ng sea urchin. Dito yung daming tinda ng sea urchin, oyster, clams, mga isda, ihaw-ihaw. O, ayan, may nag-ihaw na isda. Wow! Dinosaur! Yan, may tindahan. Bangkang tindahan. Ayan pa tindahan.
Deluxe breakfast.
You want some?
Yuri, you want to try? You want to try that? Zaki, ganahan ka na?
You want to try, Zaki?
Eat. Eat. It's still moving. Yuri, ah. Ah. Okay, I will show you first. As many as you like.
Looks like one.
Feces.
What is it?
Poop.
I like it. It's kind of the oyster. The urchin is sweet, and you add vinegar. It's
Sweet?
balance the flavors.
На самом деле реально прикольно, вкусно. Я бы сказал, мне даже больше нравится, чем устрицы, мне кажется.
You're next.
Вкусно, реально вкусно.
На удивление вкусно. Как примерно как наша икра какая-нибудь там. Ну только прям свежая вообще. Вот он 5 минут назад был живой.
They like,
Такая вот гадость.
gustong-gusto nila ang sea urchin para daw caviar. Like caviar? Tastes like caviar? Fresh oysters! So yummy. And this is clam. Niluto to. Grill. Ah, sige. Clams. Lami. Can I try? Maybe they put salt. Let's try the clams. I think they added salt here. It's good. Yummy.
Right.
Ang sarap ng clams. Ang sarap ng
Мне
clams,
кажется,
guys.
они не соленые, это просто вода. Устрицы даже сладковатые.
Oyster?
It's even sweet.
You like it?
I like it more than the...
Than urchin?
Hmm?
Than urchin?
No, then...
Ah, this one is different.
Да,
This
мне
one
вот
is a different oyster.
эта устрица мне нравится. Прикольно.
500 pesos ang nabayad namin sa lahat.
Устрицы мы за все заплатили.
Sea urchin,
всего 500
clam,
песо.
and
Это
oysters.
меньше $10.
Yan, nag-order kami ng rice at saka grilled na isda kay ate. Kawawa yung sitwasyon ni ate dyan. Ang hirap magluto dyan sa maliit na bangka. 500 pesos yung ano niya, yung isda niya. Malaki din naman yung isda niya at mga 5 pieces din yata yan. Iba't ibang klase na isda. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Ha? Ay.
There you go.
Рыбку посматривает, ждет.
It's almost. I can see it. My lunch.
Yeah, naluto na ang ating isda. Towel? I have there in my bag. Itong mga isda na to, oh, masarap. 650 ang nabayad ko lahat. Including the rice. Yung rice tag 50 man daw ang rice nila, 50 pesos. Si Dimitri may ham dyan. Butter and ham. Giniginaw si Yuri. Kaon na, kaon. Kaon ta. This fish is yummy.
Рыбу едим руками. Горячая.
So hot. And it's not ready yet. Bit raw.
Какие-то.
Ryoke is everywhere in the Philippines.
No, nowhere. The middle of ocean.
Okay. We're going back. Ayan, ito yung main sandbar, guys. Ang main sandbar. Di ba masyadong tao dito kasi malalim pa ngayon. Yuri, you want to swim more?
Ako silang pambot. Hindi ako sila pwede makapag dihaw. Wala silang pambot.
Okay.
Welcome to the Philippines!
Me too, me too. Me too.
Doesn't smell like grill here.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Me too, me too.
Welcome to the Philippines.
dangerous for me because I have allergy. Ayan, may jellyfish. Parang chain jellyfish. Ayoko mag-swimming kasi may allergy ako sa jellyfish, guys. Kinagat na ako yung jellyfish.
Where is it?
Nilagyan ko ng suka, oh. Yan! Super near to you. It's very near to you. Here, near the stairs. This one, like, chain. Here! Chain. A lot! There's actually a lot.
Can I go out?
No, it's near to you! Ah! Almost! Ah! You hit it! You hit it with your hand.
Yeah, if you...
Oh, dagan kayo.
Nakuha mo na siya, nibali ang hangin.
Oh, napoy ko ano, napoy lahi, oh.
Oo.
It's a lot here, actually.
I see now.
You see? It's near, oh my gosh! 3
3
or 4 in front of you. 4 chain jellyfish. So painful. The other jellyfish, like the like big box,
Да, вот смотрите.
dangerous.
Это на самом деле я вчера
Yeah,
вот просто.
yeah, it will look like that if it will sting you. But this one is not so itchy. It's okay, but still itchy. Ayoko na mag-swimming. Oh, ayan. Look, so many. I have so many.
You put vinegar?
Yeah, I put vinegar right away. Still itchy.
Oh, put chili sauce. И тысяч?
Mainit na. Let's go home, guys. Nandito kami sa Nenes Halo Halo. The best, one of the best Halo Halo in Negros Oriental. Dito lang to sa Tanhay, Negros Oriental. Kakain sila ng Halo Halo dito. It's my first time eating Halo Halo here. I heard a lot about this Halo Halo. That it's yummy. It's so good. Let's see today.
Знаменитый какой-то салат.
This is a popular Halo Halo place here.
Мы втроем жили, я, Юля и Женя. А они втроем такие остались.
Your chick is sunburn. Ayaw magsuot ni Yuri ng
Me too.
t-shirt.
We're all.
Yeah, 3 of you are sunburned. And the 3 of us here are not sunburned. We have the best skin in the world.
Так, вот она и легендарный десерт. So what the inside?
Here is obi ice cream, some cornflakes, peanuts, sago, some fruits. This one is yam. Yam.
What? Yum?
Yam, like sweet potato. So yummy.
Beans, the bean sauce.
Yeah, beans. I'll show you the beans. It should be peanuts.
Орехи. И лед.
No beans here. You don't put beans here. I don't know. Anyway, you don't like beans in Halo Halo.
Желешки всякие.
Yummy? I like it there, Halo Halo. Yummy.
Как тебя?
There's jackfruit here. You feel jackfruit like jam? Jackfruit. Ano ba jackfruit jam? Super sarap. Totoo nga ang sabi nila. Masarap ang halo-halo dito. Imong gamit sa loyo. Hey, who got sunburn? Ang bata nga na sunburn. Na sunburn ang bata. Kawawang bata. We're home. Oh, Izichka was outside? I thought she's in the house inside. Ang bata na sunburn. Ang kawawang bata. Na sunburn ang bata.